today's video, we're going to Tagaytay. So, ayan, just to chill and unwind lang din. So, my parents and I will do cafe hopping. And I already checked out some restaurants and cafes in Tagaytay. And our first stop is the Kale Cafe. So, yeah, let's go there. Ayan, very supportive ni Daddy. Siya yung may hawak ng camera ngayon. And we're here at Kale Cafe. And we're kinda disappointed. I thought super ganda niya sa picture. But just an honest review, hindi ko masyado nagustuhan yung ambience ng place. Like, mas ma-enjoy mo siya kapag gabi. So, kapag morning ka pumunta. So, ayan, against the light yung mga picture nyo, guys. So, I just ordered some drink from Kale Cafe. So this one is the hazelnut cold coffee, medium size. It's 210 pesos. So yeah, let's try it. Let's mix first. Mas matapang yung lasa ng coffee niya. Hindi siya ganun ka-sweet, guys. What can you say, Daddy? Sana lang tayo. So, we're planning to go to RSM Tagaytay. That is our next stop. It's my mom's choice. So, tingnan natin kung magugustuhan na nila yung ambience doon. So, yeah, let's go there. Mabama na tayo, guys. Fairness, ang galing pumili ni Mommy. Maganda yung ambience ng place. And buti hindi maulan. We also have al fresco dining here. And buti hindi rin ganun kainit. We're here at RSM Lutong Bahay. If you can still remember nung last birthday ko, yung visit natin is yung isa pa nilang branch, which is also here in Tagaytay. And I would say, guys, na mas maganda to compared dun sa napuntahan namin before. They have an al fresco dining. Super ganda nung ambience ng place. Kaya lang medyo mainit. So, hindi kami nakapag-budol fight dun sa labas. So, dito kami sa may loob nila. So, you can see, super pretty din ng place. And we're gonna order na din muna bago kami mag-take ng picture. So, si Mommy, yung plan niya is mag-budol fight kami today dito. And, yeah. So, magkakaiba siya ng set. They have set from set A to set B. Pero, it's around 4,500 to 5,000 pesos almost yung mga set nila for budol fights. Yeah. It really have a modern, tropical vibes. Ang ganda ng place. It's really, really cozy. And then, meron din nagpe-play na jazz music. And so, mag-take ng picture, guys, habang hindi pa super init. Kanina, ang init. And they also have an al fresco dining. Tingnan nyo, guys. I'm gonna tour you around. Feeling ko, wala na siya anytime. And, if I'm not mistaken, kita din dito yung view ng Taal. Ayan, as you can see, ang cute ng mga tables nila right here. And then, yeah, meron din talaga sila ditong table for budol fight. Kaya lang kung makikita nyo, guys, yung iba is wala siyang umbrella, so medyo mainit. And then, ito naman yung view niya from here. Ayan, we're gonna take some pictures lang muna. And then, I'm going to do some food reviews once na dumating na rin yung mga in-order namin. So, yeah, super ganda mag-take ng picture. So, there's a lot of inclusion pala talaga doon sa boodle fight nila. So, ayan, konti lang kinuha natin. And you can also choose, guys, kung anong rice yung ipapaligay mo. They have yang chow, binagoongan, and also the plain rice. But what we have here is the binagoongan. We also have some baked tahong. Super cheesy niya, as you can see. May shrimp. Oh my god, may shrimp pala, guys. So, ayan, meron siya. And then, of course, my favorite, liang po. And yun guys, that's it for today's vlog. And I hope naman na nag-enjoy kayo. So, thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!